Today I'm going to be showing you as a beginner how you can stake crypto on crypto.com, the app. Firstly, log on to the app and basically select the accounts tab at the bottom of the screen, refresh your page, and then tap the crypto wallet. Now on this crypto wallet, you will see all of the crypto that you own. For me, Kronos, Polkadot, and USD coin. Now, what you want to do after you've seen what crypto you own, they're the ones that you're able to stake, right? You can only stake crypto that you own. And also, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Crypto is a risky thing to do, and so is staking, as we all know. But once you've kind of got your cryptos that you own and you want to stake, you then want to scroll down until you see crypto earn. Now, this is on the accounts tab, remember. On crypto earn, tap that feature. This brings you to all of your earning and staking balance, and here is where you're going to do the transaction to move your money from crypto wallet to the crypto earn section. Tap the plus in the top right hand corner, select the crypto that you want to stake. I've selected Kronos. Select the time period. The longer you lock it up for, the better rewards you get, and then select that you acknowledge all of the disclaimers, which again, do your own research. Choose the amount you want to stake. This money will be locked up for X amount of time depending on what you select, and then select OK. Now what this does, it moves your money from the crypto wallet section to the crypto earn section. You'll then start slowly earning interest on this crypto, and the interest is paid out in the form of coins, and you can log all of your coins that you've earned from interest in the crypto wallet balance of the coin you're staking. So again, I hope this tutorial has been useful for beginners. If you're going to plan to hold on to your crypto for a long time, again, obviously if you stake it, it's fixed, it's locked, you can't sell it, the price of it still moves, so stake it at your own risk. But again, it's quite a nice, the equivalent of interest, but obviously crypto is risky, unregulated. I'm not a financial advisor, but I hope this helps, guys. Take care.